Hey there, good afternoon. I'm Trey Serna with HISD Now, your daily source for what's happening in your district. It is Wednesday, September 3rd, and students are back in class today after the long Labor Day weekend. This morning, HISD Now was at Furr High School, where students were getting ready to jump into a brand new day of learning. And speaking of Furr, it's the spotlight for this week's Campus Close-Up series. It's a school known for its innovative programs and strong community spirit. Now, while it's currently a B-rated campus, they're aiming high, working hard to earn that A. Now, when I spoke with Principal Tamara Walker, she shared that their mindset and campus culture play a huge role in their success. This year's motto is Protect the Brand. It's about building community, representing the school with pride, and being an upstanding citizen. That message really resonates with James Hughes. He's more than just the visual arts teacher at Furr. He's also the Teacher of the Year and fully on board with protecting the brand. He's passing that wisdom and pride onto his students.
Protecting the brand is everything. That's again, that's here and outside of the class, outside of Furr High School, right? We're still a representation of this school, right? And these kids in this school or whatnot. So protecting the brand could be walking down the hallway or walking down the hallway, picking up a piece of trash, right? A pencil. You see them all day long. Kids don't care about pencils no more. So I pick them up all day long, or even outside in the community doing work or anything of that nature, volunteering. You still have to protect the brand. You know what I'm saying? We are professionals. We are professional teachers, right? This is what we do, right? So it's ultimately, yeah, we protecting the brand of Furr High School HISD as well, right? So yeah, that's what it's all about.
And you'll hear more from James and other teachers and students throughout the week right here on HISD Now, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it. You can also watch our full interview with Principal Walker. It's also up on the channel right now and on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Now, switching gears, as we move past the hottest month of the year, we want our families to know how we handle AC issues on campuses. Now, our facilities and maintenance crews work around the clock to keep classrooms cool and comfortable. Now, if there's an HVAC problem, repairs begin immediately and families are kept informed about any necessary actions. Sometimes emergency vendors are called in or spot coolers are brought in to ensure a comfortable learning environment. A big thank you to our facilities teams for their hard work and dedication. And we'll be sure to keep you updated as we get through the Southeast Texas heat. And finally, a reminder for our families about a key resource, the Family Connection Center located right here in the Hattie Mae White Educational Building. HISD is committed to providing every student with a high-quality education tailored to their needs, preparing them for success beyond the classroom. The center is here to support you and your family. If you need any assistance, you can call them at 713-556-7121. As always, thanks for staying connected with us on HISD Now for your daily headlines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.